the crown done?
Before I tell you the procedure steps, I would like to mention we use CEREC technology instead of the old school techniques. By using computer imaging technology, your new crown will fit perfectly with the rest of your mouth, including color. In fact, the only people who will be able to tell you have had a crown will be you and your dentist. Next, we design shape and form of the crown on the computer and make the necessary adjustments before we start to make the crown. Once the designing stage is done, milling machine will start cutting the ceramic crown. Then we color the crown manually. This process usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Lastly, your crown is ready to be cemented in place. The next stage is checking to make sure you are comfortable with how it feels. And finally, your crown will get mounted in place. Additionally, as the crown is made of a solid block of material, it is oftentimes stronger than other types of crowns. Also, you don't need to make time for multiple appointments. It is all done in one session. To make your crown, first we need to make room for the extra layer on your tooth. So we file down the tooth that needs to be restored. Then we scan your teeth and your bite to make sure the final crown will fit the shape for your mouth perfectly.